Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap video, I'm going to show you some income proof that using the free tools that you get with LeadsLeap, and they can be forever free, will help you become successful online. I use them every single day and I'm live in my Gmail account. So first of all, I want to show you how to build a list and the lead capture pages that I use that I made with LeadsLeap. And you'll see here when you scroll down, so the number on this little number here denotes how many people are joining the list on one particular day. So if I come down here, you'll see someone has opted into your list. So I'm using the lead capture pages that I created within LeadsLeap, and I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video how you can try before you even set up a free account. You can try these tools even before you set up a free account and join LeadsLeap. So you'll see here all these are 6, 2, 4, 3, 2, 9, 7, 2. So the lead capture pages that you're going to create with LeadsLeap, they work. They absolutely work. And we've got a share code. This is one that I use for easy cash for ads. It's the only lead capture page that I've used for easy cash for ads. We use the LeadsLeap to create a success guide, and we give this to our team members. And this was used with free tools. And we've got a share code with LeadsLeap. You get a share code. So if you join through our team, link in the description, then I'll give you a share code and you just copy and paste that into your LeadsLeap account, follow a few steps, and you can create all these really great guides to be successful. And you'll see here, I've been in profit for 4 months now using these tools with easy cash for ads. So these tools absolutely work. I use it for building my prosperity marketing system as well. So I did start out using the sort of generic prosperity marketing system lead capture pages, and I created my own, this one here with LeadsLeap. Very simple lead capture page, and you'll see here now that with prosperity marketing system, it's converting 875 members, and these tools absolutely work. They really are superb. LeadsLeap's been online now since 2008. So for 13 years, these tools have been working. I'm going to show you now how you can actually try a couple of these tools. So click the link in the description. It'll take you to a page like this. And when you scroll down, you go on to free tools. And it says here almost every tool you need is here free. Tells you a little bit about them, but you can have a little play yourself. You can go into list management and the landing page builder where I showed you earlier, the lead capture page. You can click on here and you can have a little practice. It's going to take a little while to load up because I'm filming a video today, but it's going to load up, and you've got tutorials as well. So there's templates, there's tutorials how to use this, but you can just click on here. And if I just click on this one here as an example, let's go on to this top right. When that loads up, you get your WYSIWYG up, you get your full review, you get your user guide here in the top right hand corner. It's all drag and drop, and you just play around with it. And you can do that before you even actually sign up for a free account. So they're very transparent about the quality of these tools. You can even try the pop-up generator as well. So you just just click on there, and then you get a free guide. So you get everything you need just to try these tools before you even actually sign up for a free account. So great set of tools, every tool that you need to build an online business. Try before you sign up. Can be forever free. I started out as a free member, but I upgraded just to get some more benefits from the tools. But it can be forever free, and a lot of people do join LeadsLeap and stay free because the tools are such great value, and you've got every tool you need to build an online business with LeadsLeap. If you enjoyed the video today, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That helps support me on my YouTube journey. I'd really appreciate that. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. I've now got over 440 videos on the channel. We talk a lot about tools, traffic and training, the 3 core fundamentals that you need to make money online, free and paid options, and some opportunities there. I have got a LeadsLeap reviews playlist, which I'll pin to the top comment below this video, and it's that one there. So if you want to click on there and have a look, scroll through those videos, any videos that catch your eye, have a look at those on LeadsLeap reviews. I do some guided back office tours and more information for you, but totally free to join anyway. So just you may as well just click on the link in the description, set up a free account, and just have a look yourself in the back office. And if you've got any questions at all on LeadsLeap, then please leave those in the description. Sorry, leave those in the comments, not the description. Any questions, leave those in the comments, and I shall answer all those for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.